Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stripping whatever is loose, then use heat to expose stuck-on buildup. Put the skillet on high heat for 5 to 10 minutes until residue darkens and blisters. This makes scraping effective. Once done, turn off heat, and while still warm but safe to handle, use a stiff metal scraper or chainmail scrubber to remove carbon. You do this because heat softens the gunk. Make sure to work carefully so you don't warp the pan. Next, you deep clean. While warm, pour about 1/2 cup hot water and deglaze the pan, scraping to lift remaining bits. If needed, use a drop of mild soap and a scrub pad to remove stubborn carbon. This won't ruin seasoning if you reseason promptly. Rinse and dry thoroughly, then place the skillet on low heat to drive off moisture. For any rust, use steel wool until the surface is uniformly matte. You do this so oil bonds evenly later. Finally, you reseason. While the skillet is completely dry, rub a very thin layer of high smoke oil over all surfaces, inside and out. Wipe off excess until it looks barely wetted. Too much oil creates tackiness. Place the skillet upside down in a 450 degrees oven with foil below to catch drips. Bake for 1 hour, then turn oven off and let it cool inside. If the finish is sticky, repeat thin coatings. If uneven, strip back to bare metal and redo the cycle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.